Listen to these sentences and repeat aloud.
Around the raised rock, the red rickshaw raced. Round and round the rugged road, the ragged rail ran.
Listen to these words. Pay attention to the R sound in each word. Then say the words aloud.
Red, rock, rooster, rain, broom, bright, brick, train, street, spray, scream, screw, carol, several, therapy, caramel, sorry, merry, berry, diary.
Did you know that in some words R is pronounced? In some words R is not pronounced. You can know R is pronounced when it is at the beginning of a word or when it appears before a vowel. Listen to these words. In your book, circle the words in which R is not pronounced the same as the other words in each row.
Trial, freeze, cream, carpenter, right, rabbit, reek, car, crying, dream, burn, street, carrot, caravan, creature, character.
Sunil is going to visit his uncle. He is traveling with his grandfather. Listen to his grandfather talking to the person at the ticket counter.
Excuse me, I want 2 tickets to Mumbai.
Sure, sir. Please tell me your name, age and address.
I'm Arjun. I'm 70 years old. My address is 92 Mayfair Apartments, Edapalli, Ernakulam.
Okay, sir. Is someone traveling with you?
Yes, my grandson is traveling with me. His name is Sunil. He is 10 years old. He lives with me and his parents.
Okay, sir. I shall book your tickets now. Would you prefer to travel by sleeper class?
No, madam. We want to travel in the air-conditioned coach.
Okay. I have 2 tickets in the air-conditioned coach.
How much does a ticket cost?
Your tickets will cost 1,022 rupees.
All right. Here is the money. Could you tell me when the train will arrive?
Yes, it will arrive at 6 p.m.
Which platform will it arrive on?
It will arrive on platform number 1. Happy journey.
Thank you, madam.
His grandfather are returning from their vacation. Listen to the various conversations his grandfather has at the station and circle the correct options.
Excuse me, madam. I want to buy 2 tickets to Ernakulam.
2 tickets to Ernakulam. Here you are.
Thank you, madam. Could you tell me which platform the train arrives on?
Please go to the inquiry counter. They will help you.
Excuse me, sir. Is this the inquiry counter?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
What time does the train to Ernakulam arrive?
It arrives at 5 p.m.
Which platform does it arrive on?
It will arrive on platform number 2.
Thank you. Excuse me. Could you tell me where coach B2 will arrive?
The coach will arrive near the bookstall.
Could you help me carry these bags?
Yes, I shall carry the bags for you.
Thank you.
Have you ever heard an announcement at the railway station? Let us look at this announcer making a railway announcement.
12302 New Delhi Rajdhani Express via Gaya will leave New Delhi railway station for Howrah Junction at 16:55 from platform number 15. 12724 Telangana Express will leave New Delhi railway station for Hyderabad Deccan Namapalli at 17:25 from platform number 4.